integration in logical learning.
Fable, W.B. Board, Class 10, Ralph Waldo Emerson, by Sukanya Chaudhary. Let's discuss about the poet first. Ralph Waldo Emerson was an American essayist, lecturer, philosopher, and poet who led the transcendentalist movement of the mid-19th century. He was born on 25th May 1803 in Boston, Massachusetts, United States, and he died on 27th April 1882 in Concord, Massachusetts, United States. The poems that he has written are Brahma, Concord Hymn, the Rodara, Uriel, Boston Hymn, Terminus, etc. And some essays are Self Reliance, Compensation, The Poet, The Oversoul, Experience, The Transcendentalist. He attended both Harvard University and Harvard School of Divinity, but was not a particularly impressive student. Waldo, as he referred to be called, worked as a school teacher and a Unitarian minister before devoting himself to a career in writing and public speaking. A strong abolitionist and passionate transcendentalist, Emerson was one of the foremost personalities of the 19th century. His philosophies and writings had tremendous impact on America's political, religious, and literary areas. Unfortunately, he faced much sorrow in his life, including the death of his father when he was only 8, the death of his first wife after only a year and a half of marriage, the death of both his young sons, and the loss of his home in Concord to fire. Now let's discuss the poem. The mountain and the squirrel had a quarrel, and the former called the latter little prig. Bun replied, "You're doubtless very big, but all sorts of things and weather must be taken in together to make up a year and a spear, and I think it no disgrace to occupy my place. If I am not so large as you, you are not so small as I, and not half so spry. I will not deny you make a very pretty squirrel track. Talents differ, all is well and wisely put. If I can carry forests on my back, neither can you crack a nut." Now let's talk about the summary. A fable is a literary genre, a fictional story in prose or verse that features animals, legendary creatures, plants, inanimate objects, or forces of nature that are anthropomorphized, given human qualities such as the ability to speak human language, and that illustrates or leads to a particular lesson, a moral, which may at the end be added explicitly as a maxim or saying. The poet tells us that everything on earth has its role to play. There is a reason to why God created each one of us. We may differ in size, shape, color, etc., but we all have different qualities. We are unique in our own ways. We should never feel low of ourselves or think that someone else is useless, because all of us are connected together somehow. Anyone taken out of the world will create a misbalance. The squirrel here tries to tell the mountain that the mountain is no doubt useful, but it should not think that the squirrel is useless. Although the squirrel is not as big as the mountain, but it can move very fast, unlike the mountain. Now, here are some word meanings given. Former means denoting the first or the first mentioned of the two people or things. Latter, denoting the second or the second mentioned of the two people or things. Prig, A self-righteously moralistic person who behaves as if they are superior to others. Sphere, a round solid figure or its surface with every point on its surface equidistant from its center. Disgrace, loss of reputation or respect as the result of a dishonorable action, and spry, meaning active, lively. Now, here are some questions given. You just need to answer and then check if yours is right or wrong. Choose the correct alternative to complete the following sentences. The quarrel was between the mountain and the dash. Bun has no doubt that the mountain is dash. Unlike a mountain, a squirrel can crack a nut. So similarly in this way you are going to check the other two answers also. Now number 2 says state whether the following statements are true or false. Provide sentences or phrases or words that support your answer. This quickly and check if yours is right or wrong. And in number 3, there are some questions given. You just need to answer them and then check from the PPT whether you have done it correctly or not. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any queries or doubts regarding this topic, you can put them down in the comment box below and we will answer them the next time we meet.